I'm Jason Houseworth, and I lead the digital tax business at H&R Block. This is my colleague, Sam Passer. And we're here representing H&R Block and taxes because we believe tax is a core component of personal financial management. Today, I'm very excited to announce a new offering we call Tax Center, an integrated suite of tax services and tools that's available to customers of all online banks using Yodlee. Tax Center allows you to leverage H&R Block, a brand known for its tax expertise, by 99% of your customers directly in your branded homepage. So let's take a look at one. Here we have a typical Yodlee online bank, in this case First National Bank, and we're looking at my account summary page. You'll see my primary banking account and Yodlee held away accounts like my credit and mortgage accounts, and typical payment transfer functionality. Now what's not typical here is the ability to embed a view of my current tax situation. You'll see that I'm about ready to get $3,300 in a refund, and we're doing that inside the First National Bank website. The tax estimator widget also serves as the gateway to the full Tax Center, which you can now see. Now you might ask me, why do I want to integrate tax services into my online bank? The ITA Group February 2010 study on PFM concluded that banks need to use PFM to do a couple of things. First, in order to prevent other firms from disintermediating their customer relationships. And I have no idea who they're talking about there. And second, in order to find new value, in order to find new ways to deliver value for their customers. We believe Tax Center can help deliver both of these things. But let me get back to how we calculated my $3,300 tax refund. We first use H&R Block proprietary logic in order to scan all transactions for Yodlee aggregated accounts in order to find those that are potentially tax deductible. You can see a list of those in the tax benefits widget. I can then automatically transfer all of those into my current tax situation in the tax estimator widget, which you now see. And I could do this in order to find out whether I'm going to owe or be getting a refund. And I can do it at any time throughout the year. If I know that a transaction is not deductible, I can immediately override it and then see the impact on my tax situation. While automated tools can help me identify and even estimate my tax situation, the art of tax preparation often comes when I'm trying to figure out whether or not to include a particular item on my tax return. H&R Block professional advice and tax expertise is also delivered through Tax Center. So I can ask a question like, can I deduct the entire amount of a fundraising ticket to a Red Cross gala? I can search questions and answers to the H&R Block tax expert community. And this is not a social message board with wannabe CPA responders. And if I can't find the answer to my question, I can submit it to a tax expert for free. Now, come tax time, we also recognize that gathering all of your tax relevant data is generally a pain. So we tried to simplify this as well with our Yodlee partner by having them go out and pull tax formatted documents for all Yodlee aggregated accounts, and you can see those in the tax document widget. These contain my 1099 data, and once I'm ready to file, all I need to do is press a button, and my transactions as well as my 1099 data go directly into my tax return. You're now looking at a First National Bank co-branded version of our H&R Block at Home online product, where I'm now ready to review the data on my 1099 forms that just came in, and I'm also ready to then look and review and confirm the individual transactions. We've aggregated them by charitable organization type in order to make it easier for me from a data entry perspective. Now, if you'll remember, given that H&R Block helped me identify transactions throughout the year, they likely helped me remember things that I would have otherwise forgotten, helping me get the biggest refund possible. Since I'm a returning H&R Block user, all of my data from last year has been moved forward, and since my critical financial information has already been pulled from my online bank, I've dramatically reduced the amount of time it takes to prepare my taxes. As much as I love to do my taxes in our online product, I'm going to have Sam skip ahead all of the remaining questions and go right to the point where I'm ready to file. By choosing Tax Center, your bank not only has the ability to co-brand our site, but we can also default the direct deposit location to the originating online banking source. This automates a step for the client, but for the bank, This is a big deposit opportunity. IRS data shows that only 76% of the 111 million taxpayers who get a refund got it via direct deposit. With an average refund of $2,900, that's over $100 billion that's still being paid through checks. Let us help you get your share of those additional deposits. Now, once I'm ready to file, we've ensured the experience comes full circle and goes right back to the originating online banking source, First National Bank. And we've done it by allowing me to view my e-file status right within the File My Taxes widget back on the First National Bank homepage. Like I said in the beginning, we believe tax is a core component of PFM. Through the Tax Center offering, banks using Yodlee have the ability to leverage a turnkey solution with a trusted brand and get expertise and services in order to strengthen your customer relationships. Come see me or one of your Yodlee account representatives because I'd love to tell you more about it. Thank you.